Install your hard disk on one of the blank slots on your Synology NAS. Log into your NAS with your admin username and password. Try admin with password 1234. Go to Storage Manager and you will come to this screen. Right-click on New Install Drive. I installed Drive 1. Select Manage Available. Select Add Drive for storage expansion. Select Storage Pool to expand. Select the available Drive 1. Click Next. Select Expand the capacity. Click Next. Then click Apply. Click OK. The new storage size will be shown. Expand your storage pool. Click Volume of Storage Pool. Scroll up and you will see the drive getting initialized. You will also see the time required to initialize the disk. Go for a coffee if it shows less than 8 hours. Go for holiday if it shows more than 10 days. Quit your job if it doesn't work.